Okay guys, so we're back at another band practice as we continue to finish off writing our last song for our first official EP with our producer, Mr. Bivens. We're still waiting on a couple people, and of course Jack, the other guitar player slash singer, vocalist, shredder, songwriter, master, owns a heating and cooling company, and with it being just about summer and the heat picking up, he's going to be considerably busier at all times, and will always be on call in case somebody's stuff breaks down. So yeah, we don't know when to expect him, but we do expect him.
What the fuck is happening?
Nate's boxed on a mixer at a job. Look at this.
I'm usually doing like, say it once more, it's all it takes. When the cold decision reached the sand we made. Say it once more, it's all it takes. When we feel alone, remember about your rage.
Yep. Okay, yep. Left and right, buddy. Yeah, it's badass. So what about the verse? Down, 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 chicka down, down, chicka down, 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 down.
A feeling gain that separates us. There's no more way.
But I can't if I don't have the lyrics.
Joe, listen for the lyrics. Sometimes the lyrics speak to you.
Fuck me in the butt!
Thomas, tell us how your day went. Is that true? Is that all you're gonna say about it? Don't worry, Thomas, we'll get you fixed up right. It will get better, I promise. You know that it will. Yeah.
Let's see what the birthday boy has. Birthday, happy birthday to me. Birthday, happy me. Jamie got me, Jamie got me some popsicles. Yes, sir.
Variety Duck.
I don't have my teeth in, so I can't get the whistle going, but hey, Thomas, I got a whole freezer full of popsicles. Yes, I do. Come here, Thomas. Smell my finger. Where did it go? You want to go make your peeps and poops? Get your fat ass back here. You're starting to piss me off. Man.